Using your marma mat to massage your pressure points is invigorating and will boost your immune system. You can refer to the hand chart on marmamat.com for this demonstration. Starting with warming up the hands to get all the circulation flowing through. Wake up all the nerves. Get all the energy moving through from the fingertips. Then we're going to use these side points and the corner points to get inside the pressure points in here for the liver and the gallbladder and the heart and the spleen in here. Going down into the colon area. Getting into the center points, the lungs. Now getting into the adrenals and the kidneys. These same corner points here on the thyroids. And then we can use that now to get into the lung points. Now getting into the solar plexus. Getting into the digestive points. Here to the bladder. Into the adrenal points. Into the thyroid points. Working on the hips and knees and the waist. Into the pituitary gland and the hypothalamus in here, using these tips of the points. Using the edges here for the reproductive points. Using the edge here, the corner for the immune system point. Using the corner here for the spine. Fits right in here. Then finishing with a cool down. The cool down is important to relax the muscles and release the energy that can accumulate while massaging your pressure points. Feel free to take a quick walk on your marma mat following this exercise for optimal benefits.